Off with a few more cross-country skiing. If you watch this one, as this leg goes forward, this arm moves forward. My arm isn't moving, my leg is moving. So if I go off to the side just so you can see, this, it's almost like fencing, okay? My weight stays forward, my tail is tucked under, my chest is high and proud, and this is my movement. It's not this. It's not this, it's this. This is my tool, it stays straight. My power comes from my legs, okay? My weight is forward. My power is in this stable leg right here. And this leg back here, it's like a butterfly, which is a weird analogy because sometimes it lands, but sometimes it's flipping around. And I'm doing my movement from back here while I've got some power here. So I'm taking off, I'm taking flight and coming back down and moving as I need to. Okay. So pushing with that leg, almost like a step ball change with your dancer. Come and lean on this side. Pull back. As I pull back, my arm comes back. Shift my weight again. Push through. Pull back. And now I'm going to do the diamond stroke to end up as a nice closing stroke. Pushing, taking little steps up. I don't want to be with bent arms here working like this because it doesn't feel good on my back and I'm pretty sure I should be going in for space. Full strength out. Make a nice line. Lean or step forward. Roll back. Push in and pull back. And right here at this occiput area, the back of your skull here is called your occiput. And I'm going to end with my hands right at your occiput.